Hi, today we are going to see what is SignalR and a simple demo for it. So what is SignalR? SignalR is an ASP.NET library for real-time web development. It pushes the instant content on client side. Also, the connection between the client and server is persistent. SignalR application can be scaled out to thousands of clients using service bus, SQL Server or Redis. SignalR is open source, accessible through GitHub. SignalR uses the new WebSocket transport wherever available. It mostly available. The WebSockets are mostly available on the latest web browser. But if a WebSocket is not available, it can also fall back to other technology to do the transportation. A few of them, one of them is polling to the server and to check whether the new contents are available or not. So to create a simple demo for SignalR, we'll need to create a ASP.NET project, install the ASP.NET SignalR package, then create a hub class, add the SignalR to the web server pipeline, and on the client side, we need to start hub and start sending and receiving the request. So I'm creating a simple ASP.NET web project. Select the empty template. Now install the SignalR package. So what this does is add the reference to the SignalR specific class assembly. It also installs the client side JavaScript file, jQuery, and jQuery SignalR file. Now add the SignalR class. Click on add new item, Signal, and SignalR hub class. So I'll say this is my chat room. Okay. We'll create another method, public void send, which will receive a message, and then clients, use the client class, send it to all clients, and the method which you want to call. Broadcast message. So this class, this object is a dynamic object, and you are creating a method on that message. Yeah, that's it. Now we will add SignalR to server's pipeline. So add the Ovin startup class. App.map. So we are done from the server side. Okay, now we will add the client side code. Make it as a startup page. On the client side, we'll need to first add SignalR specific libraries. script jQuery. First we'll add the jQuery, then SignalR specific SignalR. Okay. And also when SignalR establishes connection with the server from client side, it creates a dynamic, it creates a temporary file scripts, so which is SignalR/hub, which we also need to include. Now we'll write our script to send and receive the message. So before that, we'll write a simple UI to see the messages. ID container well message code. Okay. So now start the SignalR server first. I mean, I establish the connection with the SignalR server. Connection dot hub dot start. So this methods is this method takes promise so this way it will start the connection with the server. And declare the connection dot okay. So now we will add a method to send the message. So before that, we will need to add a button. Button value and ID send. On click of which it will send the message. So what right now we will just send the same message. Chat server send, and this name comes from the name we have defined here for function. So now we can send the message, but now we also want to receive the message. For that, we'll need to write a function which will get called when the message is received to the client. Client and name of function. And we should have the same signature as what we have given there on the server side. Once we receive the message, we want to add it in our message board. Okay. So our client is ready now. We'll compile. We'll see how it works. We'll also open another tab so that we'll know that both the clients are getting the same message. Okay. So this is okay. So there is a mistake here. We need to append it with the hash. And now when you refresh it, you should have the correct. Okay. You can see that on both the client, the data is getting appended at the same time. Okay. We can now modify this application to take the dynamic messages. Now, whatever the message we will add it here. It will display on both the side. Similarly here. We can now modify this to have the input name, like we will know who is sending the data. We'll also need to modify our send method in on the server side. From RAM. Okay, so this is how we can send the message and receive the message within the SignalR. SignalR is almost instant, real time, and it can be used to send large number of message on the real time. So that's it for the SignalR. Thanks.